morning, everyone. We are present the experiments Boyle's Law. We needed the materials is syringe and marshmallow. Bago tayo magsimula, ihanda muna natin ang ating mga materials. Kapag nahanda na natin ito, pwede na nating buksan ang syringe and lalagay natin sa loob yung marshmallow. Then, pagkatapos, ibabalik na natin yung pinakaano ng syringe. Ngayon, ipapakita namin kung ano nga ba ang Boyle's Law. Sa video ito, ipapakita namin kung ano nga ba ang Boyle's Law. Boyle's law is a basic law in chemistry describing the behavior of gas held at a constant temperatures. It states that if fixed temperatures, the volume of a gas is inversely proportional to the pressure exerted by the gas. Kaya, kapag tumaas ang temperature, bababa naman ang volume. Kapag nag-increase yung temperature, magdi-decrease naman yung volume. Kaya ang kanilang relationships is inversely proportional. Ngayon, alamin naman natin kung ano nga ba ang history ng Boyle's Law. This law has named after Robert Boyle, wherein he trapped a fixed amount of air in the J tube. He changed the pressure and controlled the temperature, and then he observed its effects to the volume of the air inside J tube. Ipapakita namin kung ano nga ba ang formula ng Boyle's Law. Ang formula ng Boyle's Law is P sub 1, B sub 1 equal P sub 2, B sub 2.